Welcome to Everybody Linux. Today I'm going to speak of another topic that is connected to Linux, and I'm speaking about WordPress used with Linux. Okay, so not speaking about only about Linux. So WordPress is a CMS, like everybody knows. It's very useful to create website. It's for free. You can download it from www.wordpress.org. It's really, really good, and I really recommend to everyone CMS, Content Management System. So I am experienced in WordPress because I create my previous website in WordPress. I'm doing my new website now again with WordPress, and I have my WordPress new WordPress website uploaded on my new domain, and I have bought also a space on a cloud hosting provider named Linode. I decided to manage my website name service using Linode. It is a very useful cloud hosting system. I really recommend it to everybody. You can do SSH to Linux, you can access, you can create you can install easily WordPress via Marketplace. It is a tool of Linode, and you don't have to install manually WordPress. You can do it if you want. I did it. It's not that difficult, but in this way you save time and you have your WordPress with Linux with WordPress installed. So this is my Linux account that I created via Linode. I have my root access, and here I want to access to my WordPress directly. I don't want to speak about Linode today because it's becoming a little bit too long. I just want to show you how to use WordPress and how to create a basic theme with WordPress using SSH and FTP and Linux. Okay, so let's access to our directory. So this is my root, as I say, in Linux, Ubuntu Server. The directory of WordPress is always in this path. So now access to my website is paolobergomi.com. My name is Paolo Bergomi, so this I use simply paolobergomi.com. My new domain created used GoDaddy that is connected to Linode. As I said, this is my root, okay, of the website. So I access to paolobergomi.com, where I have, of course, installed my WordPress directory. Now I have always the same default folder directory. It is public.html, and here I have all my WordPress files and links and directory. The most important one actually is wp-content. Okay, so you always have to use most of the time this directory where you have all your plugins, themes, everything, you know, uploads, so all the images, for example, video, whatever you upload of media. And so let's access to our the important one for today, because I want to show you how to create a basic theme with the WordPress. So here I have all my themes that I have, the themes that I have in my themes directory. So this is my theme that I created years ago for my previous website. This is a new theme that I activated for my new website that I'm developing now. And this is a test theme that I want to show you today how to do it. So basically, the test theme I just created today, 26th of May, a couple of hours ago. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go. To make you understand what I'm doing, guys, I want to show you the dashboard of WordPress. So this is my dashboard, okay? So here I have in appearance here, this is WordPress, okay? So this is my username, this is my Hemingway activated, you know, here, that it reflects the situation here in W content themes is the same that you have here, basically. So I have two themes, says. The first theme is Hemingway test activated, and this one is the old theme that I have created years ago for my previous website. They're still there. I don't activate it now because I don't need it, but this was a photography theme that I created and developed by myself with PHP, jQuery, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, etc. Here there is the third one, but it's broken. Why? Okay, guys, when it's broken, it's simply because the style sheet is missing. Is missing. A WordPress team must always have two important things in their directory. style.css file and index.php. Okay, so that's the most important thing you need, the only ones, at least basic, to have your theme. Now I will show you. So let's delve into it. I have prepared here some information. This is the style cs.css that I want to create. So what information you need here, guys? You need the test, the theme name, the theme URL. I just put a fictional one here. It's not existing this, just to make sure, make you understand. My name, and you could put your descriptions. This is in default, you can leave it like this. And yeah, this is the license URI and everything. Okay, this is the screenshot.png. This one is important to give you a preview of your theme in WordPress dashboard. For example, those two one as screenshot or whatever they call it, screenshot.png is the name you have to give to you can use JPG as well. I prefer PNG. Anyway, you can use this. It's better PNG actually. This appears because I put screenshot.png. So what is this? This is basically a style that you need to put in your repository. Just to resume, guys, here, if I access to test theme, okay, oops, sorry, I don't have anything inside, okay, so as you see, I don't have anything inside, total 0. I need to add a CSS, okay, so what I do now, I can do this. I can put here nano style.css. I have in Aeon, Nano is the editor for Linux. I go to retrieve all my information. I copy and I put it in my CSS, copy and paste here. Okay, so now I'm going to activate to make my theme available. So I save, Control O, and then return, and then Control X. And now I need to check what happened to my dashboard. Let's see, refresh. Oh, something changed. So basically, there is something that is needed again. Exactly. I'm just doing step by step to show you doing error mistake by, of course, on purpose to show you how it works. So when you will see this message, simply it says that you need a basic template. You need a page. That's the most important page. Is index.php. This is that you have to set for being your theme accessible, okay? Present, really present in your dashboard. So we need to add index.php. Let's add it. So let's do again another information. So let's start to put simply a basic file. I don't want to go and now doing of course I don't want to develop anything now, and just want to show you how it works. And PHP okay, then we close we close it. Okay, so I just have here copy and paste in my other template here, and I do this. Okay, so basically, guys, now I have to save it. Okay, save it, and we save it in our download, and then we put it in okay, so just index.php. Sorry, I'm going to do the same that I did before. Okay, so I will go and copy. I can use Filezilla and upload this to my. This is my connection with SFTP to, because I'm using SFTP to my WordPress, test team here. I can do actually, maybe let's do it this time like this, just to show you both ways. So I am now connected via, you see that I have styles.css that I just created. Let's go in my downloads. to refresh. I have index.php that I just created. Let's do it like this time. I can do it both via with using nano again, or Vim, whatever I want, nano index.php, and then copy and paste that, or else I can do it from here. So this time I want to do it from here. So I upload the index.php file that with Filezilla to my account in Linux, to my server in Linux from here. You do using SFTP. Now I have it. Okay, so let's go and see in my Linux server. Okay, and I see, here we go, I have just uploaded the new file. So in this moment, guys, I have the two mandatory necessary files that we need to use our theme in WordPress dashboard, in our WordPress. So let's do it. Let's refresh, finger crossed, and here we go. I have test theme here. Why there's no preview? Because I simply didn't upload a screenshot.png. Okay, guys, so let's upload the picture. Okay, so as you see, guys, is here, this is the, I put it as a screenshot of this. This name must be reflected on the title of the image. So I go to change the name of the image because it wasn't that one. It's an image, a beautiful image of Lake Como when I went to visit a friend last year. I put it as a screenshot.png, the same that we have in the style CSS. I hope it's clear, guys. It's very easy and straightforward. You can put in some comments if you don't understand something. I will explain and do more basic example. But anyway, please feel free to ask if you have any question. So I put it here in the screenshot.png. I want to actually do another thing now. I will open Photoshop and I will save it as a PNG. Okay, now I have my screenshot PNG here. I show you now. I'm speaking about this. This will be our beautiful image of Lake Como that I took last year when I visited a friend. So this is a screenshot.png. As you see, is a PNG file. So now we come back to our FileZilla and we upload this picture. Okay, so let's go back to download, screenshot PNG, this one, upload it, fingers crossed as well, and see if it's working. We have our preview. Okay, so basically, let's go here and see, guys, here. This is the basic theme that I created for WordPress. Of course, then I can develop it, but I will see next time with you guys how to develop a simple theme. And I just want to go to the basic one. I don't want to do a lesson complete about how to create a theme. I just want to give you the basic to make you understand the logic of WordPress theme development. Then it's up to you to create your real theme with all the details, maybe adding Bootstrap and adding, or don't know, whatever you want, or foundation or Tailwind or whatever. There is a lot of CSS frameworks for free available, or even not for free available in the internet. But this is all for today. I just wanted to show you how to introduce how to use WordPress in Linux and how it works, where the directory are located. We saw that there is a WP content directory under the root of your website in www.var in your Linux root directory, and then you can also go to the themes directory and you create your new theme like I show you. So basically you have to remember to put, you can use it via FTP, or you can create it via Vim or editor or Linux editor, or whatever you prefer, or you can simply copy and paste from your notepad and then go into SSH and copy and paste your code. It's very easy. I always do like this, so it's very easy. Or you can also do another way. So anyway, FileZilla or FTP, or doing directly through your Linux. Remember always to do a web backup of your files when you finish. You can use a backup system. For example, in Linode, you have a backup available, or you can probably go to your domain provider if you use a hosting system directly on your domain provider, for example, GoDaddy or Blue, I don't know, depending on what you are using, and you can buy a backup as well. Okay, so or you can simply install a PHP local environment on your computer if you want to, let's say, spend a little bit more, and you do a local backup, and then you upload every time your database. Remember that WordPress is based on a MySQL database or MariaDB, depend. And so it's that kind of database mostly in default, and you can install, as I say, the LAMP system in your local PC and localhost, and then you can have your own backup in your computer available. If you make mistake, you want to roll back to a previous version if you make mistakes. So basically, guys, that's all for today. I hope this video has been very useful for you to understand how WordPress works with Linux, the basics. Of course, there is much more and more to learn, but I don't want to go too much in details because that was not the purpose of this video. Thank you very much for following this video and for watching this video. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do it. It's Everybody Linux in YouTube. And thank you very much, and enjoy your day.